is a post-op range of motion knee brace. We're going to go over how to correctly put this on and off. This will be fit correctly by your certified orthotist, and they will set the degrees and show you how to operate the knee brace correctly. The degrees will usually be set by the doctor's diagnosis and with the protocol that they want set. Usually most of the time these will be set in full extension at first, and then as you go through physical therapy, it will start to give you more range of motion at the knee. That's hence why it's called a post-op range of motion knee brace. They're used for a number of different things, such as ACL surgery, MCL, a handful of things. Very common use brace. First things first, comes in different lengths and widths, which we again fit by the orthotist. But once it's getting fit correctly, there's these little clips here. So how these work, they pivot inside of here and they click. And then that locks it down, you'll hear it. To release it, there's these two little gray buttons where you push, and that's how it releases the actual button from the strap. So once we get this on Josh's knee here, you'll hear these clicks. We'll get it suspended. We want to make sure that when we're putting this on, in this case, we're going to use it for Josh's knee completely extended. Let me scoot toward the knee a bit more, Josh. So we want to get this knee center right here where the knee joint is. So this little joint here is where we want it to start. And we already set this up on Josh's leg. So how this works is you get these little clips here set up. That clips on. We use the same thing down here in the bottom. These just pivot through, clip on. And they have like a little triangle where you get that part through, and then that pivots over, and you gotta make sure you get that click. Otherwise, like that, it'll pop open. So you want to make sure you get this in there, down, and you hear those clicks. Now it's locked in. You're going to do that with every single strap. If for some reason you can't make it like this, you can loosen the strap to get it over there, flip it in, so, and they'll put this back on. But most of the time, patients, once it's getting fitting correctly, will leave those on and they will just use the clips. So once we get this on, we want this lined up again with the knee center. And again, these can come in different lengths. So if someone's much shorter than Josh, we can lengthen and shorten this brace. As far as taking off, you just squeeze these little gray buttons. Those take off the straps like so. And as you can see, brace comes right off. Pretty simple. The hardest thing with these knee braces, they always want to slide down. So if that is the case, you can put a foot plate on here to stop it from sliding down. Again, when someone's really swollen, they got a lot of bandages on, ACE wraps, things of that nature, and wants to slide down more, it's best to be worn against like the bare skin. If you have like big heavy duty pants or sweatpants, it just makes it shift even more and want to slide around. That's how you put on and off a post-op range of motion knee brace.